He has 2 licenses.
What he did, he makes claims that he made a lot of money, but I'll leave that in the middle. He has this JavaScript project called Light Gallery. What he does, he has a very much an open source license, GPL or AGPL, and he also has a paid commercial license. I never really thought, and the paid commercial license is basically to make money off this. The GPL v3 is best for libraries and frameworks because it's triggered by distribution. So if someone includes your GPL JavaScript on their public website, they must in theory, open source their entire website, which commercial companies are never going to do. And AGPL v3, not really relevant for his project, but he says it's best for SaaS projects, as a service, where code is used on a server but never distributed. So the AGPL is basically triggered when a user interacts with that software over a network. And if that is the case, if a user interacts with your AGPL project over that network, the company again is forced to open source their whole. It's very easy because it's open source projects. It's very easy for a web developer to use this library. We can't use it, but the license only costs maybe it's €5 a month or something, right? Like it's a no-brainer to use a commercial license.
So then you have like a very strict open source one and another good option. And they say, okay, let's just go for the small fee one because we want to respect the license because we have another alternative. And I think ways to support open source, I think it's always good. Right, like finding new ways that people can make a living out of these things, and still, like, as I think
it's a difficult discussion because it's good for open source, but it's a bit of a slippery slope, right?
Why?
Like this is still open source because it's under GPL, right? But it's very clearly just chosen for that, so that like as a company you can't really use it unless you go for the commercial license.
Yeah, I know what you're saying, but
the advantage, of course, like it is still an actual open source license that you can use it under, even though it's a restrictive one.